Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout share for the scrap room. You only get to see the finished product because this is a recipe for subscribers exclusively, but I just wanted to give a share and kind of tell you all about the collection I got to use. So this is one portion of the Flavors of the Month kit. Flavors of the Month kit each month from the scrap room takes 4 collections and basically gives you kind of page kits, 4 different page kits, and you can make multiple pages out of each page kit. But specifically, each kit or each portion, those 4 portions, come with an exclusive recipe, so instructions how to make a 2-page spread with that collection. So I got to play with Vicki Boutin's Bold and Bright, which is super fun. I'm a big fan of Vicki Boutin's collections, and I kept it super simple. This is one of the very minimalist layouts that I do, so the recipe is super straightforward, easy. Hopefully everyone likes it, but I wanted to give this a little show off. If you want to see a breakdown of everything that comes in this portion of the kit or everything that is in the Flavors of the Month kit, make sure you check out the Scrap Room's YouTube links and the blog and other places. So there's some links down in the description below for you. But I documented some photos from our Omaha trip when we went to the Children's Museum in Omaha, which was super crowded. It was there were a lot of people in there, which was kind of crazy, but there were a lot of fun things, even for my 10-year-old, or he was almost 10 at the time. There were a lot of cool things he really enjoyed. Primarily, they had an exhibit that was Jurassic Nebraska, so they had a whole exhibit about dinosaurs. He's a huge dinosaur fan, and they had this really cool thing where you could, you would color and design your own dinosaur, and then you would scan it, and then you would see it come to life on screen, which is super cool. A lot of lights. So yeah, we did a lot of fun things, and we had a blast. So lots of color at Children's Museum. So Vicki Boutin's collection, lots of color as well. I happened to get this from in my embellishments for my kit, which was perfect. That was the perfect title. Had a little fun fussy cutting. Otherwise, I kept it really simple, but I wanted to show that to you. Here's some close-ups. Thank you again for tuning in, and I hope to see you around here again. Bye.